I'm a non-fungible token, but most people call me NFT. I was created to be sold or exchanged and can only be owned by one person at a time. I represent any type of digital creation, such as this unique Terminator seal image. Get to the chopper, I'll be back. I live on a blockchain. This crypto technology allows digital creations such as images, video, music to be stored as separate blocks of information. Each block is linked together, making a secure chain that is almost impossible to break. The blockchain proves who my current owner is when I was born or sold to somebody else. Every time I am sold, my creator receives a cut of the profits. My new owner can then decide to keep me or sell me for a profit if my market price increases. People buy me if they believe I will be worth more in the future. Those people are known as buyers and investors. NFTs are purchased via a website such as OpenSea. OpenSea is a very popular NFT program where NFTs can be purchased and sold. You may even see me in the metaverse one day. This is a virtual reality universe that Facebook is creating. For example, in the metaverse, you'll be able to purchase 2D and 3D objects as NFTs. Maybe something like this living room or objects inside it, such as these vinyl records. Oh, and before I go, we love supporting people that support us. This is our investors shelf, which shows off their NFT collections. If you want to learn more about NFTs, then head over to our website, cryptodreams.co.uk. All of our NFT collections can be viewed and purchased from OpenSea. Links for these websites are included at the end of the video. Bye for now. Hope to see you again.